In this video, I will show you how to send money with the Remitly app. So in my opinion, Remitly is the best way to send money internationally, and you can first just go and download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store if it's available in your country. And after downloading it, go and create your account. It will only take a couple of minutes, and then you will see something like this. Now, the first thing that is the most important is that it is set to the correct sending country. So in the top left, you can see for me it's set to sending to India. So if I want to change this, I can simply click on the Indian flag in the top left. Now for you, it may be a different country. And then here, search the country that I would like to send the money to. For example, if I search Philippines, I can click on it right here. Then after doing that, click on Get Started in the bottom. Then you will need to choose how much you would like to send. For example, if I send 20 euros, you can see how much my recipient will receive. Then after doing that, just go and click on the delivery method, and then you can choose how you would like the person to receive the money. So you can even do a home delivery or cash pickup, mobile money, debit card deposit, bank deposit, whichever one works best for you, go and select that. Then here for the payment method, this is how you will pay for the transfer. I will go with Ideal. Then next, click on Continue. Now here, just gonna pick which bank the recipient is using. If it's not in here, you can click choose another bank in the bottom, or if you chose a home delivery, for example, then you will need to enter some different details. Now here, simply enter their account number, and then you will need to provide some more details about your recipient and sometimes the reason for the transfer, depending on the country. Just go and follow every single step, and after doing that, go and pay for the transfer, and once you pay for it, it will be on its way to your recipient. So now you know how to send money with the Remitly app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.